Bro, remember so we're black, so we have to go back in the light. I have to step back in the light.
Back it up, back it up, back it up.
What them I say? Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another very special vlog. I'm Jomar.
I'm Rush.
And this is the Staths Sports TV place. You guys come to get the best, most interesting and relevant sports topics, discussions and debates on the internet.
Yes people, before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this one. Leave a comment under the video and subscribe to the Staths Sports TV. People, match day vlog again, and see what I go on. Game I go on at the back. I would have to talk a little bit about it. Bro, we have a double header. What are the two games we're watching?
Well, we're currently watching JC and Haile Selassie. I think a good matchup. This match has just begun, so curious to see how it will turn out. And then Staths versus Ulmas, and I think that one might be the game of the day.
Yeah, what was the prediction for this one?
I had JC winning this one. I think 3-0 or 3-1 thereabout. I think Haile Selassie will pose a threat, but JC will have just enough to overpower them on the day.
Alright, I'm going 2-0 to Jamaica College. I already see Tarik Zimini's out there playing, knocking some lady, isn't it?
Apparently Tarik Zimini is playing forward. He's playing as one on the forward position.
I don't lie, see him there?
Yeah.
Alright, people, go and watch. What they go on?
Bro, we're there easy and I watch the game, man. A good game so far, very entertaining game. Just 1-0, just one goal scored, but
Beautiful goals.
the football being played is impeccable at that point.
Yeah.
Haile Selassie is playing stout defense. They're playing very well. Their goalkeeper is a solid player, as I have previously mentioned in times past. And Jamaica College looks to possess great talent. Their goalkeeper was called into action once again. A beautiful save. So, fun football, fun stuff.
Yeah. I was hoping that Jamaica College had a little bit more goal threat, but threat. And they're not peppering the goal motor. I hear
Bro, them have Tarik Zimini is playing forward, bro. Tarik Zimini is playing left wing, right wing for Jamaica College. I'm not sure how I feel about that.
Yeah, but we'll find out. People, halftime update. Ready again.
a great performance by the team. We play a very composed team today that have more possession on the ball than us.
That we have, and I think we never controlled the game enough in the last part, but we're thankful for the victory, so that's the most important thing.
Performance, I have to say thank God for the 3 points.
It was a good performance from the team because we know that we're
Yeah. And bro, the first game is over. Jamaica College won that. I think I said 2-0. Jamaica College 2-0. Second game on the way, bro. Who do we have winning this one?
I think the safe choice is to pick St. Andrew College, but a man is back against the wall, you know, is a man with nothing to lose. You know, it's very scary. And at this point, Ulmans, you know, they have nothing to lose. You know, they're already behind the 8 ball, so all they have to do is just fight, and that might result in something amazing. But Staths is a safe choice, and I think Staths is better. And they are scored.
Yeah. I'm going Staths 2-1 on this one, bro.
So this gentleman's name is not on the card.
Youngster broke his arm on his birthday, which was the 11th of October, and
our best foot forward. I mean, the game will be televised to a wider audience, and we have to put on a good show.
see more of them going forward.
Yeah, around closing, bro, I can't say I feel any better or worse about Jamaica College. I have them just. Bro, we never stop work. We never stop work. You catch your head, sir. Alright? Anyways, close up long time. We never stop work, bro. We just finished the post-match analysis. All the interviews done. Go and check that out.
We're journalists in the youth.
You know, I really feel like we're at work right now.
No, man, I'm gonna feel like me at work. You might feel like you at work, but step to the front. But me at work. So some people can feel like say them at work, and then some people can't work.
100% right.
Some of them know.
Him alone actually at work.
But I know who feel like them at work.
Yeah,
and
that's
who actually at work.
Yeah, feel. You see me, him actually at work. Anyway, people, the day was nice. We have the two teams advanced, Staths and JC.
Yeah.
And yeah, who did we predict? I think I had Staths and JC. Who did we predict?
Bro, remember so black, so I have to go back in the light. I have to step back in the light.
Back it up. Yeah, so predictions, JC and Staths for me. Yeah, JC and Staths for me. And we,
You mean today? Today.
to advance it. Yeah, JC and Staths.
I had Haile Selassie originally advancing. That was my original prediction.
Well,
JC and Haile Selassie to advance. You know, and I think it was more than possible for Haile Selassie to advance, especially based on how they played JC today, bro. But unfortunately, losing to Staths on a comeback, you know, that really hurt them. And I don't think they, obviously, they're completely out of it right now.
Can't recover from that. So that's how that happened, people. Don't forget though, like, comment, share, subscribe. Say that wrong. Anytime I want to do the video, I something go on. You have to do it properly. People like this one, leave a comment under the video and subscribe to this one at Sports TV. What else I want to do?
I want you guys to share the video to at least 10 people, ensure to get us 6 subscribers, because if all of you can get with 6 subscribers, you know how many subscribers that get us?
By the end of the day.
People not hear from Emil only.
But we hear the important part. That's all.
There we go. For now, this is That Sports TV.
Oh,
Yes, sir.